Welcome to Math with GCSE Mathematics Zone. In this video, we are going to look at how to evaluate this indefinite integral. So before you begin to work out this, you have to know that the denominator here is for everything that is on top here. So for this reason, we can rewrite the whole expression as follows. So you can have x to the fifth over x to the third, then minus this minus here, 5x to the third over x to the third plus 10 over x to the third, and then everything is being integrated with respect to x. All right, so now we will be using the laws of indices to simplify each term in the brackets, that is in the brackets. So by the laws of indices, this term x to the fifth over x to the third can be simplified as follows. So x to the fifth divided by x to the third can be simplified as follows. So x and x are bases, and then they are dividing, so the powers of subtract. So you have x to the fifth minus 3 here. So this simplifies to x to the second power. Okay? So meaning we are going to have x to the second power here. This has simplified to that. All right. The second expression can also be simplified by the laws of indices. So we have 5x to the third divided by x to the third. This is same as 5x to the third because the bases are the same, so they will subtract. Okay, and this is 5x to the 0, and any number to the power 0 is 1, and so what will remain here, when we say 5 times 1 will just be 5. All right, so we're going to have minus 5 here, then plus, so 10 over x to the third is same as 10 times 1 over x to the third. Now, by the laws of indices, if you have a base a that has been raised to the power negative b, then this can be written as 1 over a, which is the base, to the power positive b. So in our case, we've been given 1 over x to the power cubed, which is in this form. So meaning we need to rewrite this in this form. Okay, so this will be same as 10 times x to the negative third power, and this can be rewritten as 10 times that, you have 10 x to the power negative 3. So now meaning here we are going to replace with this. All right, so we are going to have 10 x to the power negative 3. Okay, and everything is being evaluated with respect to x. At this stage, you can see that we have a 5 here. Okay, so we can write this as x squared minus 5 x to the power 0, n number to the power 0 is 1, okay? And yeah, 1 times 5 is to go back to 5, then plus 10x to the negative 3, and everything dx, yeah. Now, what does it mean when they say integrate? So when they say integrate, for example, if they tell you to integrate this function ax to the power n with respect to x, then it means that you're going to add 1 to the power and then divide this by the new power. So we're going to have a x n plus 1 over n plus 1, the new power, plus c, because this is an indefinite integral. It has no limits. Okay? So we're going to apply this to each and every term that is inside the brackets. Okay? So we are going to have x squared plus 1 divided by the new power, which is 2 plus 1, minus 5x to the power 0 plus 1 divided by the new power 0 plus 1, then plus, okay, 10x to the power negative 3 plus 1 divided by negative 3 plus 1, then plus the constant c, since this is an indefinite integral that has no limits. So what is remaining now is just to simplify this, okay? So you're going to have x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by the new power, which is 3, minus x to the power 0 plus 1 to just be x to the power 1 times 5, so it will be 5x divided by 0 plus 1, the new power is 1, the denominator. So then plus 10x, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, over the new power, which is negative 2, plus c. Okay? Then you are going to have x to the third power over 3 minus, this can be simplified as 5x. Then here, positive 10 divided by negative 2, it will be negative 5. Then x to the negative 2 plus c. Finally, so we're going to have x to the third power over 3 minus 5x, okay, minus, now this, we have to take it back to a fraction, so it's same as 5 times x to the second power, okay, to the second power plus c. Now remember, by the laws of indices, if you have a, the base a to the power negative m, this can be written as 1 over a to the positive m. So, but here we have x to the negative 2, meaning it can be written as 1 over x to the second power. So we are going to replace this here. So we are going to have x to the third power over 3 minus 5x minus 5 times 1 over x to the second power plus c. So finally we can have x to the third power over 3 minus 5x, then 5 times 1 is 5 minus 5 over x to the second power plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the like button and share. See you in the next video. Goodbye.